Homes of animals. Learn about animals live in different places. Some animals live on trees, some in water, and some on land. Which animals were to live and classify animals based on living place. Here you observe some animals live in water, some animals live on land, some animals on trees. So animals are live in different places. Based on this, we classified animals are three types. One is terrestrial animals, second one is aquatic animals, third one is amphibians. Let us know about one by one. You see here so many animals are there. These all animals are living on the land. So these animals is known as terrestrial animals. Here you see some animals and birds live on trees. These are also called as terrestrial animals. Now see here some animals like fish, whale and dolphins live in water. So which animals are living only in water, those animals are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, prawn, whale, dolphin, etc. The boat shaped body, fins, tails and gills help them to live in water. Here you observe some animals like crocodile, frog, turtle and crab. These all live in water as well as on land. So this type of animals is known as amphibians. Amphibians means which animals live in water and on land. The mature skin, webbed feet, strong hind limbs helps them to live on land and in water. Here you classify animals based on the living area. First one, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals and amphibians. Terrestrial animals are live on the land. Example, so many animals which are living around us. And aquatic animals are which are live in water. Example, fish. And amphibians are which animals live both in water and on land. Example, frog, tortoise, crocodile, etc. Now we learnt about homes of animals. Dog lives in kennel, fish lives in water, goat lives in pen, hen lives in coop or cages, cow lives in shed, horse lives in stable, lion lives in den, pig lives in stay, spider lives in web, rat lives in hole, sheep lives in pen, rabbit lives in burrows or holes. What we have learned, animals live in different places. Some animals live on trees, some in water and some on land. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Example, cow, goat, elephant, etc. Crow, sparrow, owl, monkey, grasshoppers, etc. live on trees. These are also called as terrestrial animals. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. The boat-shaped body, fins, tails, and gills help them to live in water. Example, fish. The animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Their moisture skin, webbed feet, strong hind limbs help them to live on land and in water. Example, frog and salamanders. A lion lives in a den, birds live in nests, snakes and rats live in holes, a monkey lives on a tree. The farm animals live in their shelters made by man. Some animals are kept in the zoo. Now, let us write the animals where they live. A frog lives in a pond. A bird lives on a tree. A hen is kept in coop. A horse is kept in stable. A pig lives in a pigsty. A dog is kept in kennel.